Wow, look what I just got in the mail. A power cleaner, 24 volt, cordless. The folks at SUNJOE were nice enough to send me this in exchange for doing a video. Welcome to this next episode of Backyard Warrior, where I will demonstrate and see for myself what type of product this is. Let's unbox. I know it's battery powered, so I know I will have to charge the battery. And they say good things come in small packages. This is very nicely packed. And let's see what we have here. Wow. Okay. This is the hose for water. This looks like an adapter for your hose, or you can use a bucket of water, which makes it very, very portable. Looks like the power wand. Oh, here's some of the good stuff. A cleaning brush. The actual unit looks a lot like the Backyard Warrior's air gun. And of course, my charger and battery. So right now I'm going to go over the instructions, and I'm sure they're going to tell me to charge this up, and then the Backyard Warrior will gladly do a demonstration. So here I am with the SUNJOE Power Cleaner. It's got a beautiful lithium battery, 24 volts. Came out of the box, the battery was basically charged. I only had it on there for about an hour, and it has a very convenient light, which shows 1 LED, 2 LED, 3 LED. So I was on like a week 3, and now it's like ready to go. So I just put the wand together, very simple. Okay, you put it in here, you can't go wrong. It goes in and turns and locks. Now we take I'm going to use the system, it's two-system power cleaner. I can use either a bucket of water for those places that are inaccessible to a hose, or I can use the adapter and put a hose on it. But we're going to go with the bucket method. I have a 5-gallon bucket of water right here. I'm going to put that in there. This goes here like any power washer or power cleaner. Okay. I'm used to using a pressure washer, but then I have a gasoline engine, a lot of noise, smell, you got to haul the thing. This thing is beautiful. What I like about it is this portability. So let's give this a shot. Got a nice long hose. This is very convenient for when you're away from a water source. I happen to have a hose here, and we're going to try it with the hose as well. But I wanted to first demonstrate its capabilities just using a bucket of water. So I picked a little area of my house that shows a little mold on the siding. I want to see how it deals with a mold and how the removal process will work. I'm going to put it on. It's a very convenient spray application. So I'm going to put it on here and see what happens. I'm going to have to play with these. I'll put it on like a light spray, 25 degrees, and see what happens. Okay. Here we go. You see that mold? Let's see what happens. Oh, nice. Look at this. Look at this. Same effect of a power washer with the portability of a power cleaner. Let me get the rest of that mold now that I'm here. See, I have work to do, but let's continue. This has a little bit of a little safety lever that you have to press in before you pull the trigger. Safety feature. Okay, let's go. I'm going to leave a little bit just so you can see it. The difference between here and here. And now I don't like that, so I'm always going to take that away. Okay. And obviously we can go a little faster. And this is going to be great for the hard to reach areas in my house where I can't get to with the hose. So, sorry, but I don't want to stop. Wow. Now, of course, this is about 5 or 6 times stronger than a hose. Not quite as strong as a gasoline engine power washer or electric power washer, but this is a power cleaner. It's made for different kind of jobs. and things that might have accessibility issues. So here you can see how nice and clean this is, and you can see up here where I still have mold and just build up from having a house sit. So I would say that the SUNJOE did a very good job on this, and I'll be using it quite often, especially in areas that I can't reach that easily with my gasoline power washer. Beautiful. All right, let's take it to another task. Wow, really great. I know I eventually need a paint job, but in the meantime, cleaning the mold off is a great thing. Yeah, I would say it's done a very good job. Very happy with it so far. Okay, the entrance to my garden is a little bit dirty. I have grass cuttings there. So here we go, quick clean off. Really hard to reach place. I don't have a hose accessible. This thing works wonders. Grass came up when I was doing some grass cutting, got on my window so we can see the grass here. Just quickly, let's take care of this one so I don't have to look out from the inside of the house. To go a little wider. There we go. Nice. Really good for a rinse off of the patio furniture. Great help for garage doors as well. This is the hose for the bucket. However, they give you an adapter for the nozzle. So let me go ahead and change this. I'll be right back. So now I've attached a quick adapter to the hose, and it should be a quick connect. Okay, make sure it's locked. Put the water on. And I have nothing to clean back here right now. However, I'll give it a little shot onto my Norway spruces, which I'm going to plant come springtime. Okay, show them a little love. Wow, I could do plants all over the yard with this and the 5-gallon bucket, but the hose is a very convenient feature. So this cleaner is obviously a great thing and very convenient thing to have around the house. What can you say other than another fantastic tool of the backyard warrior? Go, SUNJOE!